Hey Sagittarius, welcome to your timeless reading. Whenever you're watching this, it is the divine most perfect time for you to see it. Also, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If I say anything that resonates, please leave it in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe. Let's see what Spirit has to say to you and for you this moment in time. And it says, Sagittarius, it is time to hit the reset button. Clear out the old so that room is available for the new to enter. Trust that better things are coming fast. Prepare to move to the next phase of your life. This is your rebirth. Welcome this beautiful brand new energy. You've got this. Beautiful, Sagittarius. I love this message for you. Hit that reset button. Get ready for new things to enter your life on a higher level than ever before. You've got this, but also Spirit has this, and continue to surrender the results to the divine. Let's see what else is going on to you and for you. Everything is for you. I don't know why I said to you. Anyway, Sagittarius. Let's see what else Spirit wants you to know for this moment in time. Let's get some cards for the sign of Sagittarius, please and thank you. Sagittarius, thank you so much. Okay, whatever you are working on, we do have new moon, the maiden, within the next 1 to 3 months. Sagittarius. So there is something occurring right now. We are in spring. By the next new moon or within the next 1 to 3 months, something is coming to fruition. Also, I'm hearing new perspectives, new outlook, fresh new beginnings is also what I'm hearing with this. Let's see what else Spirit would like to say for the sign of Sagittarius. Sign of Sagittarius. We have ballet shoes here. It is also a 9, so completing of the cycle. Having that stamina to continue to push forward. This is also in the sign of Sagittarius up there. What is needed right now is just for you to, again, to be persistent and consistent with what you are doing, to get your reps in, maybe even becoming a master at something. That was a message for Leo. This could also indicate perhaps an artistic endeavor or a creative pursuit. And if it is a creative pursuit, there's fruition here by the next new moon, or within the next 1 to 3 months as well. Let's see what else Spirit wants to say. Also, whatever you are embarking on, effort is required. So if you've been kind of like waiting to do something, Spirit's saying, hey, it's time to spring into action regarding a particular thing. Okay, what else can you say for the sign of Sagittarius, infinite intelligence? We got Sagittarius again. We got the crew, so working in sync with Spirit, working together with others, a team effort. So perhaps you are supposed to work together with others to create something, a creative project, or it could just be any project really, and to join forces with others so that there's more of a powerful impact here. This also means to me like you're working in sync with the universe. Did I already say that? Well, you are working in sync with the universe. Everything is coming together here. We do have the eclipse or eclipse energy, so something is coming to light, something that you previously couldn't see. There is an unveiling of some kind. With that, we do have a situation that is unchanged, something that is unlikely to change. So to me, this is saying, hey, anything that you're worried about, something is unlikely to happen. And to put down your worry, doubt, or fear here. Also with this eclipse energy, any blocks that you're having towards like going forward, that's being released for you as well. What else would you like to say, Infinite Intelligence, for the sign of Sagittarius? Do something sweet for yourself. We have chocolate here. Give yourself a sweet treat. It also could mean like sweetness of life. The universe is about to bless you with the sweet things of life. There could be something to celebrate as well. Also, there is calmer, more peaceful energy coming in for you. It could also indicate some form of romance that's coming in. What else would you like to say? Well, speaking of romance, there is the bedroom here. So there could be romantic times ahead for you, Sagittarius. And this could also mean to whatever you're worried about, whatever's on your mind, to sleep on it and to give it a break. And this could also mean perhaps you are dreaming about somebody or someone is dreaming about you. There's some fantasies here, which I think is funny that it is right next to the chocolate. So I do believe there is some form of romance on the horizon for you, Sagittarius, or if you've met somebody recently, then this romance is going to take off into the next level or the next step here. What else can you tell me? Also, maybe check in with your sleeping cycles, probably needing to get more sleep, Sagittarius. We have a diamond here as well. To me, this is about, either your commitment, you being really committed, being dedicated, especially as it lines up with these ballet shoes, you honing your skills, and being faithful to your overall creative vision. This could also mean, hey, that romance we were just talking about is really going to be going to the next step or the next level here. Remember that you are multi-talented. You have so much to offer the world, and to allow your brilliant light, your diamond light, to shine upon humanity, Sagittarius. That you are an unstoppable force once you get going. All right, what else would you like to say? We have the fishing pole as well. So this is about you being self-reliant. This is about, to me, the fish always represent some form of prosperity. And Spirit could be saying, hey, it's time for you to go connect in nature. You're about to have some form of accomplishment, some form of recognition that's coming in for you as well. Let's get an angel answer for you, Sagittarius. What else does Sagittarius need to know here? Sagittarius. What else does Sagittarius need to know? Something is coming to fruition within the next few months, so that would go in alignment with the spring maiden. So there's a powerful shift that is changing. There's a powerful shift that's occurring that's going to be changing your life for the better, okay? Within the next few months. And what else would you like to say? You're ready. You're ready for this shift. You're ready for the change. You're ready for all of the good that's coming towards you, Sagittarius. And just like you're ready for so much more. Trust the timing with the perfect timing here. your ship is coming in. And last one, wait for it. Oh, that timing factor. But remember, you're honing your skills, you're working in sync with the universe. There is some sort of reveal that will be occurring, some like epiphany, some aha moments, a situation that perhaps you're worried about, nothing's going to come out of it. Treat yourself to something sweet. There could be a romance on the horizon that could be going to the next level or the next step. Make sure to check in with your sleep cycles. You're heading into more stable times. You'll be able to rely on yourself. You're also working on that self-trust and that intuition. There is major accomplishment. And get ready for your rebirth. And let's get you an angel number, infinite intelligence. What would you like to say for the sign of Sagittarius? And it's going to be 487. You are accurately hearing and following your angel's guidance about your career and finances. As a result, you're on the right path for the fruition of your dreams. And let's get one more from this book for the sign of Sagittarius. Sagittarius, and it is going to be 369. Reduce stress, revive your mind, body, and spirit. Your mind, body, and spirit need to decompress. Your angels are alerting you that your stress levels are at an all-time high. Do something that relaxes you today. Take a technology break, read a book, or take a contemplative walk in nature. And with that, Sagittarius, thank you for allowing me to be of service. Have the best day or night in all creation. And namaste.